Using the Milwaukee gun, it's all about efficiency. When you're not pulling around cords and you're using a gun that works smoothly, never hiccups, batteries last a long time, it just alleviates all the problems that come with needing places to plug into power or batteries that die too often.
The Milwaukee Drywall screw gun is pretty consistent. The clutch, the speed, I'm impressed. You're probably 30 to 40% more production in a given day.
With the Milwaukee cordless gun, it's got the auto start mode. That is very nice. You're not worrying about pulling triggers, and it saves battery life because it's not running unless the screw is actually working. It's a very, very smart feature.
Your forearm doesn't get fatigued from squeezing the trigger constantly. Much quieter. You don't have a constant turning of the motor.
Auto start mode, no one else has it in the market. Definitely saves on battery life. That part of it is huge, especially if you don't have a power source on the job you're working.
The motor is not spinning nearly as much. It's really only spinning when you need it.
The Milwaukee screw gun is extremely efficient as far as the battery life. We can get a half a day out of a battery.
Compared to other competitors or a corded gun,
the weight is really nice and the screw faster and the screw really smooth. That's what I like.
I would definitely highly recommend Milwaukee Drywall screw gun. Really efficient, powerful.
It's very quick, the RPM's nice, it's smooth, you can handle it all day long, it never gets tired in your hand. Helpful in every aspect of its capability.
Milwaukee makes a strong tool that lasts, that can take a beating.
Extremely important to have a tool like the Milwaukee screw gun to keep you moving, keep us efficient, keep us fast.